What is that light? I've never seen it before.
It's beautiful.
That lighthouse wasn't there yesterday.
The stars are falling! They're coming here! Be careful. Stay together. Hello. Hello. It can talk! Why are you here? We are lost.
We are lost. Lost?
Lost? We can't find our sky.
The lighthouse is calling.
Calling who? Us. Us. You'll be safe here. Thank you. They're so tiny.
Kindness makes everyone feel safe.
My bracelet, it's shining!
Something is happening.
The lighthouse knows you're here.
It's showing us a road.
A magical map.
Let's follow it!
Tomorrow night.
It's getting dark. Don't be afraid. Can we help? Thank you. You're safe.
Your bracelet protected it. It shines bright. The lighthouse is here.
It's very far. Can we really go?
We'll travel together.
They're singing. It's beautiful. We sing for home.
It's a lullaby.
The sky has changed.
You're right.
More stars are disappearing. It's asking for help.
I think so too.
We'll leave tomorrow.
Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Who's there? Please hurry. Why? The lighthouse is growing weaker. The light is fading. If it goes out, what happens? Lost stars can never find home. Then we'll help every single one.
We'll leave at sunrise.
Let's bring the stars home. I'm ready!
Stay close.
Our adventure begins now.
The sea is beautiful. The path is still glowing. We're going the right way.
Stay together.
Who owns this boat? Maybe it's waiting for us. Look. The lantern turned on. The boat is moving. Nobody is driving. It's magical. Let's trust the journey. The sky still looks different. More stars are missing. We'll bring them back. We will. Sky, star, star, moon, moon, light, light, light.
It's getting darker.
That happened so fast! A storm is coming!
Hold on tight.
Your bracelet! It's protecting us! Amazing! Stay calm. Look, more lost stars. They're trapped. We have to help. The light is returning.
Every star matters.
Let's help them all.
There it is.
We're almost there.
The little lighthouse.
The little lighthouse. Did you hear that?
Someone is here.
It welcomed us. The shells are lighting up. They're showing us the way. Keep following the path. Moonflowers. They're beautiful. They smell sweet. How do we open it? Maybe this. It worked.
The lighthouse recognizes you.
Look at the compass. It's moving.
This place is full of magic.
Mom nods. This way. We're coming. They're leading us. The light is so small.
No wonder the stars are getting lost.
Something is wrong. Welcome, Emma. Who are you?
I am the Star Keeper, and I need your help before the last light goes out.
How can we help?
The lighthouse is losing its heart.
Can we fix it?
Yes, but we must hurry.
Every star has a home.
Some places are empty.
The sky is broken.
We have to make it whole again.
North,
South,
south,
east,
east,
west.
west.
It's glowing. Follow the light.
A magical compass. It will guide us.
Help me! We're here! Don't worry.
Dad carefully lifts the shell.
Thank you. Welcome back.
One more star is safe. It worked.
The light is stronger.
Every star gives hope.
Who wrote these books? Many sky keepers. Can we read them? Why is this page empty?
Because your story isn't finished.
What's happening?
That cloud wasn't there.
Something is coming.
We're losing more stars.
The darkness is growing.
We have to stop it.
It feeds on lost light.
Can it be defeated?
Only with courage and hope.
We can do it. Carry these carefully. We'll protect the light. Together, always. I can see them. Come with us. Thank you. There's something inside.
Stay close.
Let's explore. They're exhausted.
Poor little stars.
You're safe now. We feel stronger. You're going home soon.
That's my girl.
Why is it spinning? Something changed. Indeed, it has.
The light is fading again.
That's impossible!
Why?
What's missing?
Long ago, the brightest star in the sky disappeared.
The brightest star? Where is the brightest star?
No one has seen it for many years.
Can we find it?
I believe you can.
The map is alive.
It's showing us something.
The bracelet knows the way.
A sky staircase.
Let's go! Stay close!
One step at a time.
We're walking in the sky!
It's beautiful.
Don't look down! Keep moving! Up, up,
Down, down.
left,
Left,
right,
right.
right. Thank you.
I've got you.
Nice catch. Nice catch.
The flowers are guiding us.
Let's follow them.
Yes.
Another magical door. I think I know what to do. It opened.
The bracelet chose you.
Where is the brightest star? That branch looks empty. Why did you leave?
The stars forgot how to shine together. I was waiting for someone to remind them.
It's here!
Protect the star!
Stay behind us. What is that?
No! It's looking at us. Don't be afraid. Stay together. We're with you. Wait. Emma.
Emma.
I don't think it wants to hurt us.
You're a star?
Yes. It's not a monster. Why are you hiding?
Everyone forgot me.
No one should be forgotten.
You're Orion. You know him? He was the guardian star.
You felt lonely.
Very lonely. You're still important. We need you. Nobody shines alone.
We shine together.
Together! The darkness is gone. It was sadness, and kindness healed it.
Look! They're going home.
They're going home.
It's beautiful.
The Heartlight has returned.
The sky is complete.
Every star found its place.
Welcome home. Moon, moon, star, star,
Sky.
sky,
Light.
light. Thank you, Emma. I'll miss you. Goodbye. This belongs to you. Thank you. You earned it. Time to go home. I'll never forget this place.
Everything is back.
The sky is smiling.
We did it together. One star stayed.
Hello again. It chose you.
Every explorer needs a friend.
You'll always have a home here. We'll be ready.
For the next adventure.
Together, always.